spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. How easy is it to make $100 in one day on Uber Eats? Uber Eats says it's going to get busy around 11, so we'll see what happens. Here's my stats, just so you know what my stats are. I heard Uber Eats is up to some more shenanigans too, so we'll cover that in today's video. I do not approve of the changes, but we'll get into that later. So around 10:08, I got my first order. I'll throw it on the screen. I did get 2 orders before that I declined. Put those on the screen for y'all as well. It took like 21 or 22 minutes to do 2 deliveries, and my on-time percentage went down 2%. So that's the shenanigans Uber Eats is up to lately. They used to give you 7 extra minutes for pickups and drop-offs. Now it looks like they give you 2 to 4 extra minutes for pickups and drop-offs. So yeah, that leads to the shenanigans. So starting October 1st, Uber Eats is going to be adding on-time percentages to the tier criteria. So you're going to need to keep your on-time percentage at a certain level in order to advance past the green tier. Also, they're making some changes to the minimum acceptance rate stat you need to advance past the green tier. In some markets you needed 30% for gold, and now they're increasing it to 50. So they're trying to make it tougher on drivers to reach those higher tiers. It's crazy, man. As you heard, the order came in as I was filming that last video. $7 1 mile pancheros. Headed straight to the restaurant. So I picked up the order, headed to the customer. I had to go up to the second floor. It was a corporate building with multiple businesses. Went up to the second floor, found the suite. It was a meet at door order, so I gave the customer the order. So we're at about $23 for the first hour and a half, which is horrible. I'm trying to stick to Uber Eats for the video. Normally I do DoorDash, Grubhub, Shipt as well. If it stays like this video is definitely going to be a fail, and I'm going to turn those on. But I'm just chilling right now. Going to listen to a podcast. Hopefully we get a good order soon. Update you guys shortly. Alright, so right when I was finishing that last video, you could kind of hear an order coming in. That was a $7 1 mile order from Focasia's, like a coffee shop. It actually went to the same corporate building I just delivered to. So Groundhog Day, went back there, had to go downstairs this time, dropped it off just in time so it wasn't late. Right after that, I got a $7 4 mile Five Guys order. The fries are never ready. Click not ready at Five Guys. Dropped it off right at the drop-off time. After that, I got a $9 7 mile Chick-fil-A. I was trying to work one area and not take any far deliveries, but this delivery was going to another work area that is really good, so I made an exception. Yeah, I took care of that Chick-fil-A, $9, 7 miles. Right after that, I got a $9 12 mile order to bring me back near my house so I could go take my lunch. As I was picking that up, I did get an add-on for another $9 1 mile. So I'm picking up the second order now. They said it wasn't ready. It was going to be about 5 minutes, so I just came out to my car to record this quick. It has been 5 minutes, so I'm going to go back into the restaurant now. Hopefully it's ready. Wish me luck. So I told y'all I got the $9 offer for like 7 miles to bring me back near my house. And then I got an add-on for $9 1 mile. So I picked up both orders. I dropped off the first one. No problem. I was a minute late. Whatever. And then after I dropped it off, I took a look at the GPS. It said 30 minutes, 11 miles. What? So I'm like, damn, customer must have changed the address. But you know I'm not driving all that extra miles. Uber probably gonna give me an extra 50 cent. We not doing it. So I called Uber support. My boy David helped me out. So I was like, yo, David, I took an add-on for $9 for 1 mile. But after I dropped off the first order, it said 11 miles, 30 minutes. So I told him straight up, I'm gonna need like $10 extra. If y'all could give me $10 extra, I'll do it, or I'm gonna need you to cancel it. So he said, all right, let me look into it. Put me on hold for 2 minutes. Came back. Put me on hold for 2 minutes. Came back. Then he said, we could offer you $4 extra. But that was after he said, the pay will be adjusted based off the mileage. But I already know how that worked. They don't pay a lot for the mileage. So it would have been like $1 extra, if that. That's my guess. So I told him, nah, I need $10 or I'm not delivering it. So, I mean, spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. So he said, all right, we can't do that. So I'll cancel it for you. I got some free food. They bought $108 worth of stuff. What we got here? We got some. Ooh. We got some lamb and chicken over rice. Okay, with some hot sauce. Okay, we got some chicken over rice. Y'all, let's see what we got, players. Hey, yo, if y'all want some free food, come through. Tell your people too, come through. I got some free food. The heck is this? Okay, got some wraps. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. Don't worry, I'm gonna show y'all. My dog, he's waiting. My dog wants to know what Okay, some nice wraps there. Got another wrap. I guess you make your own. That's what's up, though. And then what? Oh, those are for extra wraps. Okay, I see y'all. Oh, dang. It's saucy. I don't really like my stuff too saucy. So yeah, I got some free food. Y'all want come through? Y'all want some? Got another one. Mm. Okay. I don't even know if I'm gonna eat any of this. All this sauce on it. I wish they got the sauce on the side. But yeah, you see all this food? Don't try to change the address on me, player. Update y'all after lunch. What's up, party people? Back from our lunch break. It's like 6:30 right now. I finished my lunch break at 5:30. I take long lunch breaks around here sometimes. It's been an hour since I started working. So what happened? What happened? What happened? So I started by taking a $7 2 mile order from Southern Chicken and Waffles. So I took care of that. That was quick and easy. And I got an offer for 2 orders, $28, 20 miles. So I considered it. And then I looked at the details. I seen, and then one of the customers is like 5 miles away, and the other customer is like 17 miles away. So something told me to accept it and then cancel one of them. So I did accept it. So then I looked at the names so I could try to figure out which order was which. So a lady ordered the Panera, was my guess, because one was a lady, one was a guy. So I canceled the order for the guy, Southern Chicken and Waffles, and I took the Panera. And I prayed that I did the right one. Because if I canceled the wrong one and had to drive 20 miles for less than $28, that would have been tough. So I got to Panera. I picked that up, and then I got an add-on offer for $8, 2 miles, CVS Shop and Pay. You know I had to do a Shop and Pay for this video. So I took care of that. It was like some Monsters, some orange juice, some water, some ice cream, just a bunch of drinks and ice cream. So I dropped that off, and then it was the moment of truth. Well, I already knew, so I checked like the trip log, and it had the estimated drop-off times, so that was a clear giveaway that I didn't have to drive the 17 miles. So I dropped off the first order, dropped off the second order, and then I checked the pay. The initial pay was like $16. Yeah, for 7 miles, but that's before tips. It's saying the estimated pay is gonna be $26, I believe. I'll throw it all on the screen. I'm just driving, so I can't look right now, but man, that was interesting. I'm glad it worked out in my favor. You never know what's gonna happen on Uber Eats, man. You gotta learn the system and just sometimes it's like gambling. Sometimes you get free food. Sometimes you're able to turn a $28 for 20-mile order into $16 or more for 7 miles. We'll see what the final numbers are. Update y'all soon. After that crazy gambling order I did where I canceled one, added on another, I ended up getting a $13 order for 9 miles. That was a pickup at Wayback Burgers and Panera. No issues. So I did add up all of the numbers. I have the final numbers. We ended up making $104 as long as I don't get tip baited on this last order. We made $104. We drove 64 miles and we worked 5 hours and 15 minutes. So how easy is it to make $100 on just Uber Eats? Looks like it's going to take about 5 hours. You're going to have to drive at least 65 miles. This was on a Wednesday. I tried to do the slowest day of the week. And I did make about just under $20 per hour. Always consider wear and tear. I do have to buy gas, so I'm finally trying that free food I got. Oh man, it is so good. So that's worth at least another $20 there easily. The free $100 worth of food. Whew, that is so good. Alright, so thank you for watching. I do appreciate you guys coming on these journeys with me. Please tell me how you feel in the comments below. Drop a like. And please consider subscribing if you haven't yet, so you don't miss out. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.